Pozole rojo
with La Fe, the perfect winter dish. It truly tastes like home. To make it, all you need are a few holiday staples. Take a screenshot if necessary. To start, fill a large pot with 2 liters of water, add half an onion, whole garlic cloves, and bay leaves. Once the water begins to boil, add the pork. On the side, hydrate 10 to 12 dried guajillo peppers in hot water for about 10 minutes. Blend the softened peppers with a piece of onion, garlic cloves, a pinch of oregano, and salt. Blend until the sauce is completely smooth. Cover the pot and let it simmer. For the first 30 minutes, you'll skim off any foam that rises to the top. Then, strain the guajillo sauce directly into the pot. Continue cooking the pork for 1 to 1.5 hours until it's tender. Next, you'll add Fe Hominy corn. Pour it into the pot once the pork has cooked for about 1.5 hours. Adjust the salt and let everything simmer for 1 more hour. Pozole is all about the toppings. Serve it with sliced onions, radishes, cabbage or lettuce, lime, or a spicy salsa. In total, your pozole will take about 2.5 hours. If the broth feels too light, you can blend a scoop of Fe Hominy corn and mix it back in to thicken it naturally. And now your pozole rojo is ready, warm, hearty, and perfect for the holidays. Serve it and enjoy it with the people you love. Because pozole rojo made with La Fe tastes like home.